Okay then, so this is just gonna be a tutorial of a pretty good house in Minecraft. Here's the entrance. There are a few pandas here. I'm just having trouble to close the door. Now here's my pandas, Supper, he likes to eat, and Cuppa, who likes to sleep on the bed. Isn't he adorable? And also, one of my sheep actually went in the fire, and I also just have to feed them every now and again. Like Cuppa doesn't really like to have food, and we're just gonna go up here to my second layer. This is a bath, and it's actually leaking over here. This part's leaking because it's the same area as my roof. You can just look out in the open. And then here's my ladder to this area, which lets you dive in here. I used to have a lot of dolphins in here, but it's so sad that they all just died from I think like flipping out or like running out of water. Maybe I should spawn them in like a bigger pool or something. Like maybe I should make like a little hut for them. Now here's the ladder over here. You can just jump to it. It's better when you're in creative because then like you can just fly around, and up here is my armor area and my weapon area, and this chest here just has all my armor, totems of undying, and enchanted golden apples. And you find totems of undying in the weapon area, just to say so if you're looking for totems of undying in creative mode. There over there is my animal pen. We'll just go over there right now. And you have to open this gate, and you'll think, oh, I need to close the gate. So sad. So you need to get up here, and then you need to open the gate. Then you need to close the gate, and then fly up. And then, look, I've got wheat. All these guys like wheat. I named quite a few of them, but I didn't name all of them. And if you have at least two of each other ones, then yeah, they'll breed. And I'm wondering if they start following us. So bye.